Na-trade daw niya yung Kaito, 300%. Congrats. Ano pong tawag dito, Kamiranda? What do you think? Correct. This is double top, no? Congrats. Right. So double top yan. Therefore, this becomes a neckline. This becomes a neckline. Pero si coach, safe lang tayo. 'Di ba? Safe lang tayo. Kinuha nating take profit. Yung pangalawang entry point naman natin, i-replay ko lang kasi umaangat na siya, no? Para makita ninyo. Yung pangalawang entry natin, ayan. So makita mo, right? If you're going to notice, yung pangalawang entrada po natin is what you call a tabo, no? At tabo, which means dapat gagawa siya ng tinatawag nating neckline. And that neckline right? Kukunin mo to yung entry point mo dito. Dito ang TP mo. Right? So kukunin natin itong neckline. Ito yung neckline, yung yellow line. Right? So 1.0867 1.08, take note. Okay? Entry, neckline, breakdown. No need for confirmation on tabo. So you have 1 point trigger below 1.0867. So my actual entry triggered at 1.0813. Okay? And then my take profit area exit is here. So aabangan mo siya. No, 1.0, hindi na siya gumawa ng ganito, no? Ang ginawa niya, tinuloy-tuloy niya na. Yung candle mismo from here, tumuloy-tuloy na dito. Right? Tumuloy-tuloy na siya. So, up until here, sakto lang natin ka, Miranda. Wait lang, para maganda yung demo ni Coach Miranda. Isakto lang natin, ayun. Okay? So, pagkahataw niya niyan, so we're just doing, binabantayan lang talaga natin, clinising ko lang para talagang klaro. Alright, mapapansin mo, right, dito, no? Tumuloy-tuloy. I-replay natin. Okay, magne-neckline tayo. Here. Pag neckline natin, kuha tayo ng 5 minutes na candle. And then let's do a replay. Here. Mapapansin mo ka, Miranda, na ang ganda nung galaw, no? So you have, ito, talagang maganda yung nakasabay, right? But you need to consider na meron kang diagonals, no? You have this, and you have this.